RJ.
That is the craziest thing ever right there.
This is the kind of machining most people never get to see. Not because it's secret, but because most machines simply can't do it. This is a high-speed linear motor machining center that can go 40,000 RPM at almost 800 inches per minute. Since this is a linear motor machine, it has no ball screws, which means no mechanical windup and no backlash. The reason we're making this part on this machine is to demonstrate how precise this machine is at making parts for the medical industry, robotic industry, aerospace, and more. Now we'll load up some new stock in our machine and get to it. The OSG Exocarb end mill has 0.625 inches of reach. It also has a 2-flute design and WXS coating, so it's perfect for machining hard material like NAC 80. All right, guys, we're over here on our Sodick LN4X control. Right now, we're just in our MDI screen. We can do anything from just turning on our spindle to small G-code commands. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna load our program. So all we have to do is go into Edit. We're gonna go to File. And right now in our memory, it just says New File. That's standard. What we're gonna do is go into the hard disk, and we're gonna go to our program. You can pick copy, paste, all of that. But what I like to do is just select the program, and all we have to do is drag it over to our memory. And now we have it in our memory. So we'll go ahead and open that up. And right now we're ready to basically run our program. Our tool is already in the machine. So when we run this program, it will go ahead and probe the tool. So now we're gonna go over our feeds and speeds for the program. We're running at 14,000 on our RPM, 31 inches per minute on our feed rate, 31 thou at our step over, and 2 thou for our step down. Now you guys know how to load a program on the LN4X. All right, we just finished machining our part. Now we're in inspection on the Mitutoyo comparator, checking our part right here. It's actually so thin that we have to use our 100 times magnifier to check this feature. And it's only 1 thou thicker than a normal human hair. This part came out perfect. Let's go show Titan now. Yo, Titan, check that out.
Dude, that is the craziest thing ever right there. Look in between it, 3,000s sticking all the way up. It was CNC machined. Dude, I've never seen,
Sick, RJ.
There's very few things I haven't seen, man, in this trade. I've never seen that milled, and that is like tall too.
Yeah. So if I start losing my hair, you can machine me more.
Yeah, exactly.
And then he actually did a different one also. You got the other one?
Yeah, I'll go grab it.
Dude, this one's crazy because you see 3 of them, but one is a circle, one's a triangle, and one is a square. The team at Sodick, you guys have been absolutely amazing. And Tom came down here to Texas and actually did all the training and gave us a secret on how to actually program this. So Tom, shout out to you, man. Thank you. Boom.
If you want to know more about Sodick or other machines we sell, contact Keith at titansofcnc.com. If this video helped you in any way and you want to see more videos about the UX650L from Sodick, be sure to like and subscribe for more future content.